Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on Robinhood account. So let's get started. First of all, open up your web browser. You can open up any web browser that you have. Now go to the URL box and type in robinhood.com and press enter. Make sure that you log in to your robinhood.com account by entering your credentials. After you're inside the main homepage after logging in, click on the Account tab at the top right-hand corner. This will then open up this pop-up menu. Click on Profile in the menu and then it'll take you to the Profile Edit page. You can now click the Edit Profile button right next to your username and then go ahead and erase your current username displayed on the screen. Type in the new username you'd like to use for your Robinhood account. After typing in the new username, you can also change the theme by selecting one of the colors right beneath and click on Save Changes. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to change your name or your username on Robinhood.com account. So that's it for today's video. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.